Cleaning crumbs, fur, and dried up dirt from the inside of your car isn't fun, but the right tool can make the task bearable. A high-quality handheld vacuum gives you the cleaning power and flexibility to keep your car spick and span. Ryobi 18V1 Plus. For consumers who want a simple but effective cleaner, Jaap recommends the Ryobi 18V1 Plus Performance Hand Vacuum Kit because of its excellent suctionability along with plentiful and flexible attachment options. The 18V battery is compatible with all other Ryobi power tools. This vacuum is efficient not only for daily routine maintenance, but also when tackling difficult messes. It comes with a battery, charger, and a HEPA filter. The universal nozzle accepts all 1 1/4 inch accessories, though the 4-piece accessory kit, which includes a dust brush, crevice tool, utility nozzle, and hose, is sold separately for $24.97. DeWalt 20V Cordless Car Handheld Vacuum. DeWalt, a popular brand for tools, also offers a good range of car vacuums. The DeWalt 20V Cordless Dry Hand Vacuum is a handy device that comes with 6 attachments to help you clean those hard-to-reach places in your car, such as between and underneath car seats as well as the trunk. These attachments include an extension tube, floor nozzle, flexible hose, crevice nozzle, gulper brush, and round brush. You can store these accessories in the storage bag that comes with a vacuum. This vacuum features a HEPA filter for allergen-free air. Excelling on hard surfaces, weighing 3 pounds, it may feel heavy during prolonged use. Cordless, it lasts 21 plus minutes, battery and charger sold separately. Shark CH701. The Shark CH701 Cyclone PET handheld vacuum, weighing only 1.6 pounds, impresses with hypervelocity suction for deep cleaning. Its XL dust cup allows longer cleaning sessions, and USB charging ensures on-the-go convenience. The Pet Extract trademark hair tool effectively tackles pet hair, and the rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers extended cordless cleaning. With an 8-inch crevice tool and versatile accessories, user reviews highlight its efficacy in pet hair removal, general cleaning, and car detailing, making it a popular choice. Black Plus Decker. The Black Plus Decker 20V Max Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus Pet Hand Vacuum HHV-K515JP07 reliably handles common car messes and cleans up pet fur better than any other handheld model we've tried. This vac's strong suction is enhanced by a motorized brush that agitates debris and dislodges stubborn fur from grippy surfaces like car upholstery. Its built-in extendable crevice tool helps ferret out dirt from most car storage compartments, but it can be unwieldy for smaller nooks and crannies. Its 25-ounce bin volume is the largest of the handheld vacs we've tested, which is especially helpful for bulky fur. It runs for up to 25 minutes and charges in less than 3 hours. It comes with a 2-year warranty. Decker 20V Max Flex. The Black Plus Decker 20V Max Flex Hand Vacuum, model BDH 2020FL, stands out as a popular and versatile choice for car cleaning. Powered by a 20V Max lithium-ion battery, it offers high suction power with cordless convenience for portability. The 4-foot flexible hose reaches high, low, and tight spaces, and a pet brush attachment efficiently tackles stubborn pet hair. Measuring 14.88 inches in length, 10.68 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in height, this vacuum impresses users with its strong suction, ease of use, and quality performance. Bazius A3 Light Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Bazius A3 Light Car Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $63.99 with an extra 20% off, is a versatile 4-in-1 device ideal for car cleaning. Its compact design and 8,000 RPM triple-phase brushless motor ensure efficient cleaning with 12,000 PA suction power. The cordless vacuum, with a 3.5-hour charging time and a 30-minute runtime, features a smart LCD display, one-click emptying, and various attachments. Regularly cleaning the filter is advised, and caution is recommended on long hair carpets to prevent malfunctions. This portable and efficient tool caters to diverse cleaning needs. If you found today's video informative, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications for future updates. Let us know your opinions and any questions you may have in the comment section below. Your engagement is valuable to us.